Hi, I'm Ari Leeds, founder of LeedsSource, a Salesforce consulting firm. I've been using Salesforce for about 10 years or so, building things from scratch, doing custom integrations. And to me, Salesforce is just this fun kind of building kit. Like, it reminds me of when I was a kid, just getting a box of Legos or Lincoln Logs and just building whatever I wanted. And then along the way, kind of coming up with some best practices and some really great tips and tricks on how to do things the best way. So I started this company to help bring this enthusiasm and this kind of level of quality to our customers and to businesses who sometimes get a little bit overwhelmed by what Salesforce brings to the table. So in these series of videos, what I want to do is help all kinds of people with their Salesforce issues. We're going to do some of the back end and to kind of demystify things like permissions and sharing and things that people tend to get very confused with, specifically administrators. We're also going to bring something for the developers to show new tips and tricks for writing code in Apex, what's come out the most recently with Salesforce flows, and other kinds of tricks for developers to help up their game in a world where Salesforce is being integrated more and more with other systems. We also want to bring some tips and tricks to the end users who need help navigating their way around Salesforce. We find very often that people may have these very long SOPs, these standard operating procedures, right, to find how to work best in Salesforce. We want to kind of take the mystery out of that, show you a little bit of a glimpse of what's going on behind the curtain so that you get a better feel and a more relaxed experience when using Salesforce. We also want to make sure that top stakeholders are getting the most out of their reports and dashboards, the analytics, the things that they need to drive how they run their business. So we're going to tailor these videos, to all different types of people, and we will hopefully come out with some great content along the way. We would love to hear your feedback. Click subscribe below. Enjoy the show.